Are you struggling to get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns? Are you tired of throwing money at advertising without seeing a return on your investment? In this video, we'll provide you with 5 advanced tips to help you get the most out of your Google Ads. First, it's important to understand the different types of Google Ads campaigns and which one is best for your business. There are search campaigns, display campaigns, and video campaigns, each with its own set of targeting options and ad formats. Experiment with different types of campaigns to see which one works best for your business. Second, use negative keywords to exclude irrelevant searches from your campaigns. This will help you target more relevant users and save money on clicks that are not likely to convert. Third, use Google Ads advanced targeting options to reach specific audiences. You can target users based on their location, age, gender, interests, and more. By focusing on certain groups, you can make your ads more relevant and increase your chances of making a sale. Fourth, use A/B testing to optimize your ad copy and landing pages. Test different versions of your ad copy and landing pages to see which ones perform the best. This will help you improve the effectiveness of your campaigns and get more out of your ad spend. Fifth, use Google Analytics to track the performance of your campaigns. By analyzing your data, you can find patterns and trends that can help guide your advertising efforts in the future. Here are a few little-known tips for getting the most out of your Google Ads. First, use Google Ads automated bidding strategies to optimize your ad spend. Machine learning is used in these strategies to change your bid prices based on how likely it is that you will make a sale. This can save you time and help you get the most out of your ad spend. Second, think about using the remarketing feature of Google Ads to reach out to people who have already been to your website. This can help you convert users who may have abandoned their carts or who are in the consideration phase of the buying process. Third, use Google Ads conversion tracking to measure the success of your campaigns. This will help you understand which campaigns are performing well and which ones are not. By looking at this data, you can make smart decisions about how to improve your campaigns to get the most money back for your money. In summary, there are many advanced tips and tricks you can use to get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns. By understanding the different types of campaigns, using negative keywords, targeting specific audiences, conducting A/B testing, and analyzing your data, you can improve the effectiveness of your ads and get more out of your ad spend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Google Ads.